welcome back to A to Z Home. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to be making some scrunchies. So let's get on to the video. This is the cloth I'm going to be using for my scrunchies. And what I'm going to do is measure out 22 inches for my scrunchie. This is going to be the width. And the length is going to be 5 inches. I put the alternative right down here if you need it. Next, cut this out. What you're going to do is take one of the sides, fold it in, and put hot glue on it. Make sure you put the hot glue as close to the edge as possible. And take the other side and put it on the hot glue. Press it down to get more of a smoother and even surface. And since mine wasn't super thin, we're close to the edge, I'm just going to put a little more hot glue. Next, flip this inside out and fold it like how you would make a paper fan. Next, take a hair tie or a rubber band and put it in the middle of your cloth. Next, take the bottom half and the top half and hot glue them together. You're gonna need to unravel it. Like we did before, try to get the hot glue as close as to the edge as possible. Make corrections if needed.